Hi, let's take a tour of my sewing machine. This is USHA JANOME. This little contraception is for the loading of bobbin. You insert the bobbin here and push it in this direction and it gets locked. Behind it is where the bobbin goes. And you always want to make sure that pressure foot is up while loading the bobbin. Once you open this compartment, you will find this section where you can load your bobbin. This little piece here is called shuttle. Your bobbin gets loaded in this. While loading the bobbin, you want to make sure that hanging thread goes in this direction only. You put your bobbin inside and pull your thread from this little crack and then from here, and this is how it's supposed to be. Okay, so once loaded perfectly, you insert your shuttle in its place. Okay, now time to thread the bobbin. First, you put the bobbin in its place, then you simply follow all the arrows marked on your sewing machine. Later, you pass your thread through the needle and with the help of this pulley, you pull the bobbin thread. Okay, now let's talk about the stitches. These are buttonhole stitches. These two are straight stitch, this is zigzag stitch, and these are many other decorative stitches. This paddle determines how long our stitches are going to be. This here is called tension. This determines how tight your stitches are going to be. I usually keep mine in the middle. This is your normal foot. This is your zipper foot. And this little key is used if you want to change the needle. This is for the purpose of reverse stitch. You must start and end your project with reverse stitches. These teeth here are called as feed dogs. This carries your fabric forward. This switch here will drop your feed dogs, which is very helpful while doing a buttonhole. And this is the basic tour of our sewing machine. Hope it helps. If you have any question, please feel free to drop in our comment section. Thank you for watching.